anxieties. Children have their own anxieties. Parents have their own anxieties. The anxieties in Sanskrit is called kunta. Can you all repeat? Very louder. Kunta means anxiety. Whole world is filled with anxiety. Every home is filled with anxieties. Kunta. But when you want to free that anxiety, and the place where anxiety free is there, that place is called not Kunta but Vaikunta. What is that? Vaikunta. So the scriptures are saying you can make your home as Vaikunta. How many would like to do that? Some people are saying, I want to make my home as cinema theater. If you want to make your home as a Vaikunta where Krishna is there, no more kuntas, no more troubles. Only one formula. Every day you have to spend 10 minutes of time. And this formula goes like this. Whoever tries this, it has to act. There is no other way. It has to act. Every day you have to give 10 minutes. The parents and children. Either in the morning or in the night before sleeping. Simply sit and chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Just 8 minutes it will take. Just sit and chant. You see, so many miracles will happen in the home. No more kuntas. No more anxieties, no more difficulties. And that is prescribed in this age of Kali. Simply, and all the family members will sit down and take the Japamala and then chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra 108 times. That's all is required.